question?
Okay. Ma'am, how about for those that don't agree with the referendum? Does anybody have anything to say about, can I just ask that question? Can I say that, please? Can I just ask this?
Oh, we have someone.
Okay, please.
He can.
He can. I'm okay. I'm asking you, how about for those that do not agree with the referendum? That's all I wanted to know this whole time. Nobody cares. Okay. I tried, guys. I tried. Now there's a fight. Let's put on the music. The video. How about those that, excuse me, how about those that don't agree with the referendum? Nobody, damn, I've been, I failed. I was here all day. How about for those that don't agree with the referendum? What happens then? I should just Peter, how about for those that don't agree with the referendum? Wait, Peter, pégate la pututa sa. But if they can't agree with the referendum, what happens then?
Well, they have to continue to express what they feel about the new referendum. They have to, that's what they're doing, they have to speak.
Okay, so who do we talk to, Peter?
Keep talking to the government in charge, people in charge.
Oh my God. You are your music,